well-disciplined, well-systematic, planned person, they start respecting you. They develop this fear within them. This person is very punctual. When you go to a client, you have to go on time. When you say 20 minutes, it should be 20 minutes. I don't want to take much time off you. That's what you have to say. Right? If a customer is still talking, I don't want to take much time. So because I already took 20 minutes, right? So maximum another 5 minutes. That's all. So you have to show that you are disciplined in a very strategic way without annoying the customer. Because otherwise you are annoying. If you show that, I'm so disciplined, I'm time bound, so to a person who is not, you think that person will be happy? You are annoying the customer. So I don't want to know. I do all my stuff on time and so then people don't like it. So if you annoy customers, you can't win customers. Sometimes they like, okay, I never go to meetings on time. Maybe I'm also like that. Oh, they like it. Even though I came today on time. They like it. Sometimes you have to tell what they like to hear also. This is the initial stage, yes. But later I told you, as you go on, right? Marketing is a philosophy, right? Have you heard about this before? It's a philosophy. Way of doing business. So you can only talk about the size and the price and sell also. There's no marketing there. Here you are. So pay your product, you take it. Don't leave it. Is that marketing? But if you do in this way, you can build a very good relationship. Whether it's a key account or a normal client, if it is 15 minutes that you need to listen to that client and answer, you have to spend that 15 minutes. Otherwise, they'll get upset. You can't tell, look here, you are a budget client, I'm talking to you while having my lunch, sorry, excuse me. Can you do that? One of my employees recently said, right? So, while she was drinking water, she answered. I asked, what are you doing? So, budget client, later she said, but it's very funny, everyone laughed. But, can you do that? You can't do that, right? So, that's why you need to categorize your clients, right? Categorize your clients. And also, as seniors, make sure now in my company, Cited, every call is answered. Every single call is answered. That's one of the USPs. How am I doing that? We have Iron Men and Iron Women. No, it's very simple. Let's say I have 5 people for e-commerce solutions. Your call is diverted to her. Her call is diverted to her. Your call is diverted to him. So someone will answer down the line. How many personal calls do you get per day? You don't get at all?
Normally, yeah.
Yeah? Who is not getting personal calls during working hours? Honestly, I said be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4. All others they get. That means you have not marketed yourself to your loved ones and the friends. Sorry to tell you. They think you are a useless fellow who's not doing something very important. I can make calls anytime I go. That's how I'm looking at people, in my team. If I get a call while they are in a meeting, I said, please answer. No, sir, that's okay. No, please answer. Please go out and answer and tell that person you are in a meeting. Please, that's okay. But I don't tell anything after that person comes. I tell later. Maybe in a general meeting. If your parents, if your loved ones, if they keep on calling you during your daytime, that means you have not really done your part. In the eyes of your loved ones, you are a useless person. Believe me or not. If they know certain people, they don't call. My husband is a very busy person. He's the one running that. I don't call at this time. I send a message because he sees messages when he is free. He sees WhatsApp when he is free. See the understanding. See the respect. If your loved ones don't respect you, you can't go up in the corporate ladder, my dear friends. You think you have gone, but you could have gone there, but you are here. Since you are a positive person, you are happy. But you could have gone beyond that. I know a lot of people like that in my life. They would have done a lot of big things, extraordinary things. But they are stuck because one thing that they have not handled, their personal goals.